All right, listen up. If you've got a credit score that looks like a bad bowling score, or if the banks keep treating you like you just walked into their private yacht party wearing flip-flops, then this video is for you. I'm talking to the dreamers, the hustlers, and the I'm tired of being broke crowd. Welcome to VestBlock, the platform that's about to change the way you think about credit, business funding, and financial freedom. So what the heck is VestBlock? It's not just another app, it's a movement. It's a digital Swiss Army knife for your financial life. We built VestBlock to take your credit from, I hope they don't check it, to, damn, I just got approved. First up, our AI-powered credit repair tools. Imagine having a personal financial coach that never sleeps, doesn't judge, and actually wants you to win. Our AI scans your credit reports, identifies the problems, and auto-generates dispute letters to get those pesky negatives off your report. It's like having a financial hitman for bad credit. Late payments, charge-offs, collections? Our AI is like, I got this. It's the John Wick of credit repair, ruthless, efficient, and always on target. But it doesn't stop there. Once your personal credit is polished, we help you build a business credit empire. I'm talking high-limit cards, lines of credit, and access to funding you didn't even know existed. You'll be walking into banks like, yeah, I'll take that six-figure business line, please. Hold the excuses. VestBlock is for the hustlers, the go-getters, the I'm building generational wealth crowd. We've got AI tools, secret funding strategies, and even side hustle playbooks to keep your pockets full and your stress levels low. So if you're tired of being broke, tired of banks telling you no, and ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button, visit vestblock.io, and let's get this money.